Nirvana. Good 40. Kaya na zone. Sabog. Kung ano dito lang. Pass to number 4. To number 31. Good 42. Bogor, terus masuk, ikon, bagi mana? Masuk di bawah, wow, masuk ke mana? No good. No good. Ayan, Nerona. Nerona na talaga bola para kay Wala. Ayan, para kay inyo. Pass to. Nerona, good for you. Ikaw kayo ito na. Ito na. That's why bugiwan ko ito. Kung minsan sa shoot, i-vest, pakinoy ka. Kinikilig ka. Shoot. Number 4, good. Pass through. Scott, nagkagawa sa question sa shoot. So meron. 10 seconds to shoot.
Buka ka, Pambin!
Buka! Kaya natin! I love you, Ben.
Ang galing ni Kugan!
Ayos!
Oy, Juan!
Hati-hati tayo kanina, ayaw nyo eh. Hindi kayo makapag kayo.
Number 51. It's your first personal foul. First team foul. Inadali ko kasi kasi Kugan, ito hindi nakapag-stop din. Number 31 for the second throw. Razon. Pass to Nerona. 15 seconds to shoot for 14. By number 25. Argina. For sure, dito si Kuinuela.
Malapit na yun, kaunti.
Kabog. You are the queen of the night. Remaining 5 minutes and 25 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. Still by Razon. Offensive foul by number 12 by 2 seconds. Personal foul. Number 4 is getting the ball.
Tama, ikaw.
Pass number 9, Lugo.
Masakit ang ulo mo. Tawang-tawa.
Nikon. Pass to Nerona. Wala. Pass to Nikon. Sino sa tres? Wala.
Lens ka na naman yun.
Shoot yun. Ako. Number 23, it's your first personal foul. Second team foul. Good 14 by number 8. Pass number 4. Good question by number 4. Official score 8-6 in favor of Team RGR Ballers. Arabina. No good. Number 25. Number 25 to Nikon. Nikon. No good. So Arabina again. Arabina. Trying good for 2. Playing time to Weeks and 20 seconds. Sugan. Lost ball.
Wait lang. Bogi ako.
Arabina. Out of bounds. Play ball. To shoot. Same ball. Number 4. Good 4-2 by number 4. Official score 10-8 in favor of Team RGR Ballers. Number 25. Pass to Nikon. Razon. Razon Lugos. Razon again. Same ball. Ten seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Number 31. Still by the ball. Razon ang bola. Razon. Oh. Tinasa. Official score 2-8 in favor of Team RGR Ballers. Nerona pass to Good marking by Nerona. Remaining time 1 minute. Number 4 is getting the ball. Pass to Ives. Ives, no good. To Arabina. Pass to Nerona. Pass to number 25. No good. To Nerona again. Foul. Number 24, Hector. First personal foul of first in the foul. Remaining time 43 seconds. Good for 1. Nerona, second ball. Out of bounds. Arabina's getting the ball. Arabina. Pass to Razon. Razon. 15 seconds to shoot. Remaining time 25 seconds. Arabina. No ball. Razon. Good 2. Remaining time 15 seconds. Number 8. Remaining time 5 seconds.
Hindi pala kayo makapasok?
Number 3, pass to Big Small. Big Small. 31 is setting ball. Pass number 8. Number 8. No good. Number 4. Pass to number 10. Trying to shoot. If that's no good. Foul number. Number 15. It's your first personal foul. First team foul. Number 8 for the first draw. Good for 1.
Wala, umiyak ka na.
Number 8 for the second draw. Good for 1. Number 14, 15, 72. Drop ball. The Vets is carrying the ball again. Pass to number 31, 15 seconds to shoot. The Vets to number 31, pass to Kugan. Kugan to the no good. Number 31 again. Number 31, Pinasok. Is here the 29. Errona, Santa Ivest. Ivest sa ganda na bola Ivest. Pass to number 31. No good. Number 31 again. To Kugan. Kugan to number 8. Good for Kugan number 8. Favorite ng kuya, sa bilang floor. No good. Number 8 is getting the ball. Pass to number 4. Number 4, 15 seconds to shoot to Kugan. Kugan, pinasok. Oh, no good. Number 3, no good. Number 24. Good again. To number 14, pass to Kuya Inay. Kuya Inay is taking the ball. Foul. Number 8. Epior. First personal foul. First team foul. Remaining time 5 minutes and 37 seconds. Official score 18-19. 18-15 in favor of Team RGR Bowlers. Martinez. Errona goes directly. Fifteen seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. It's 60 points by Dia Flor. Change keyboard. 15 seconds to shoot. Foul is on correct number. Number 15 is your second personal foul, a second team foul. Number 8 for the second throw. Good for 1. Official score is at 19. Out of bounds. 15 seconds to shoot. Good for 3. By Errona. Right, second to shoot. Good for two.
Sarap po, Ogan.
Padilla, four. Padilla again. Padilla, Masamerana. Good for two.
Pabulog si Mila.
No good. Number 41 is getting the ball. Pass number 8. 15 seconds to shoot. To Kuya Inoy. Barreto. Pass to Diaz Moore. And it's a pass by Diaz Moore. Number 4 is getting the ball. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Kuya. 5 seconds to shoot. Foul. Offensive. Number 4. Sino? Fred Tukugan. Number 3. It's yours. First personal foul. 10 seconds to shoot. Good for three by Stephen. Remaining time to make it 44 seconds. Number 5. Number 14. To Villa Flor. Good for three by Villa Flor.
Panisigit!
Remaining time to make it 25 seconds to finish order. 29 at 24 to Lucina. PGS, 10 seconds to shoot. Pasampa. Number 8. Pasampa. Number 14. First personal foul. 13 foul. No good for one. Number 8 for the second throw. No good. Number 31 is good again. Silver Canines. Foul number 8 is yours. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Errora, Caposa, to the floor. Is number 31. Number 31 is Super Errora. Errora, nadala ng bola rin sa 145 seconds. Move on. Errora, good for two. Remaining time 1 minute and 27 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. Seconds of free. Di pa ako nagtanong sa kanina. Remaining time 1 minute and 5 seconds. Meron na sharing the ball. 15 seconds to shoot. Good for three by Diaz Moore. Remaining time 15 seconds.
Kita, wala pang warm up. Panisigit!
Nakaka kay Brian. Kay Brian, our starting family. Good for two. Remaining time 7 seconds. Good for two by 35. Remaining time 15 seconds. Barreto. Pass number 14. Good for two. Remaining time 5 seconds. Right game. 15 seconds to shoot. Kukuha, win! Good goal. It's by Kugan. Kugan connect pass number 4. Number 4 is the bola pass to Kugan. Kugan pinasok. It's still by Razon. Razon is the bola. Razon pinasok. Good. It's still by number 24. Number 31 is the ball. Pass to Kugan again. Good. It's still by Kugan. Seconds to shoot. To Bello. Pass to the score. Now, number 31, Epior. First personal foul, first foul.
Uy, nakagip ko yan.
Si Mami at Inyo. Tapos.
Hindi ka lang kita. Okay na yun.
Foul from the number 18, Epior.
Oo nga, promise. Nagagalit ka mamaya.
Yes, even.
Nagbe-blurred na naman.
Suga, pass number 31. Power out yan. Good ball 2. Ano, iba na account yan? Ang ibang account yan, ilan dapat na makibig pa na ako? Ba't kasi ako? 30 seconds to shoot. Ano ba Rubino? 10 seconds to shoot. Good ball 2 by number 18. And number 13. 15 seconds to shoot. So, Kugan Asawa, no good. Kugan Asawa may love, no good again. Umuwi na lang sa barak, Ernie. Number 1, pass to number 13. So, Kuyawe, no good. Number 31, pass to number 24. Good for number 24. Kita shoot. Assist ka lang ha? 10 seconds to shoot. Good for 2 by Bella. Para po sa amin ka. Kinikilig. Foul from select number 18. Bella, saan ba? Third personal foul, second team foul. May tutugan ba? Manu. Asawa niya. Go love! Tugan ng love! Go good! Tugan na bola hindi sa'yo pwede. Ito, sayong-sayo mo. Good for one! Oo, magaling talaga mag-shoot. Kakanin ko yan sa mga bok. Good quick seconds to shoot. Good first one by Venom. Number 4 is carrying the ball. 15 seconds to shoot. It's still going to be down. Sabi naman, 15 seconds to shoot. Ravon good for 2. Timeout. Number 8 is taking the ball. 15 good for number 4. Remaining time is 3 minutes. 15 seconds to shoot. No good. Number 4. Pass is that 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 0-1. It's yours. First personal foul. 13 foul. Shot up kay Nagawad Gian. Ang school girl. Razon. Razotti. Nasa good tackle. By Razon. Remaining time 15 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 31. Number 13, it's yours. First personal foul, 1-4 penalty. No good. Look at again. Foul, it's in the line. Foul number 15. It's their first personal foul penalty. Official score 50-40 in favor of team BGS. Razon. Good for 2 by Kuya Vic. Remaining time 2 minutes. Fifteen seconds to shoot. Foul. Foul selected ngayon. It's a running presentation penalty. It's a running presentation penalty. Point score number 8. Number 8 for the Central. Point score 1. Timeout BGS official. Pass to Deno. Arotan. Official score 52-42.
Labas kayo. Tumasok kayo lahat. Sumagot ka na ngayon.
Number 4, good for 2. Playing time 1 minute and 20 seconds. Number 1, Leona, 50 seconds to shoot. Over the head.
Tapos na rin sa akin yung jowa nito.
50 seconds. Good for 2.
Tangina, huy. Pumasok ka. Sa akin jowa mo.
Playing time 1 minute.
Paano pasok ito? Pati. Pasok.
Timeout.
Pasok na yun. Oo. At ang mutin Pasok dito. Sa inyo, mga ito, nanonood.
Remaining time, 15 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. The pass is on the ball. Foul number. Sa Kuya Abre, it's yours. First personal foul penalty. Remaining time, 15 seconds. Good for one. Is that 20 seconds more? Good for one. Fifteen seconds to wala ka. 15 seconds to shoot. Remaining time 25 seconds. Defense. Sukuka. There's a stand.
Hoy!
15 seconds to shoot. Remaining time 10 seconds. Foul. Subject number 4 is yours. First personal foul and second team foul.
Yes. Yan yung sabi natin. Sabi, huwag mo tignan sa kami pinakamalakas ka nagpapasakam lang.
Remaining time 8 seconds.
Nagpapasakam lang.
5 seconds.
Buta.
Sarang Lydia, ang sarap ko, tinan mo.
2 seconds. Good for 2 by Baseco.
Lasing. May mo sa buwan.
Paano pag nag-inis ako? Bala ka. Oh, inarangan mo.
May narangan mo. Nakaganon ako.
Wala kay narangan mo.
Jugar sem bola. Pass number 8. Number 8. No goal. Number 14. Pass number 3. Rona. Never kagaling bola. Pass to Baseco. Good for 2 by Baseco. Official score 28-4 in favor of team BGF. 50 seconds to shoot number 31 is foul. Subset number 25. April. First personal foul, first team foul.
Kita yung ring eh.
No good.
Tapos tumingin sa yung galaw. Tumingin ka sa video mo.
Number 31, first second throw. Goal for 1.
Kwarto na.
Ilang kwarto?
Last na daw eh.
15 seconds to shoot. No good. It has to stay in line. Good for 2 by the pass. Manrego, pass number 25, 20 seconds to shoot. To Manrego, pass number 3, Rana, no good.
Ay, sige, tingnan lang yung bola.
Is steal by number 8. Number 8 is the ball is steal by Manrego. Manrego, pass number 25. Number 25. Out of bounds.
Ganyan yung ka naman nakasali. Hindi na. Tama kayo. Ganyan pala kayo, no? Pala nyo, no?
Number 24.
Dahil ko, lilipat ako sa kanila. Ayaw ko.
Manrego. Is it 2 points by Kuya Ismail.
Pisto, pisto.
Remaining time 5 minutes and 35 seconds. Number 2, Alvarado. Remaining time for the lead to 15 seconds. Pugan, steal, by the line.
Inabunan mo na naman.
Libod-libod ka dyan. Libod ka lang.
Bahala ka. Bahala ka.
15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Alvarado. Timeout BGS, official score 66-53.
Ate, medyo masarap sa Peggy ha. Tanga ka ba? Tanga to! Technical mo yan. Ayos yan.
Number 31. With more trigger number 31. Remaining time to the release at 30 seconds. Pugan, pass number 8. No good. Number 9. Alvarado. Rebound.
Tanga ka ba? Dahil reklamo ka, bubo ka ba? Ito, nangitis ko gan. Technical kita.
Number 4.
Dalawa. Oh, ba? Dalawa siya. Three more legs.
Remaining time to the release at 40 seconds. Good. Foul number 15 is yours. Third personal foul, second team foul.
Tanga ka ba? Ang ingay mo. Masakit ito.
As to the second. May sariling buhay. Ito lang ang Number 24. It's yours. 7 personal foul, first team foul. Ano? Last 2 minutes. Official score is 66-55. In favor of PBGF. At ito kayo mo? Number 4. Fifteen seconds to shoot. Si Ama. Last 1 minute and 15 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. Last 1 minute.